Hi guys, thank you very much for your interest in Elite Network. We are recording this video for a couple of countries such as India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, and other countries in the area. And the reason for that is that we do have global, not global, but Asian meetings, and those meetings happen pretty much late night at 1 p.m. in Pakistan, other countries, super late. And now we thank all the leaders in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, all the wonderful people for their interest in Elite Network. Elite Network is a Forex trading company. I thank you for that. And I emphasize on two things. What we need to open those markets is first a strong leadership, and second, people who will serve the market, people who actually serve those markets. Now, we are doing super well in other Asian countries such as Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Brunei, and others. Now we'd like to include as well those markets, Hindi market, Urdu, Tamil speaking countries, and others. All right. And I thank very much the leaders who requested to record a meeting just for you. So let me first maybe present myself. My name is Jeff Alawi. I'm Elite Network CEO. Now, I do have 10 years of experience as a senior software developer for leading global companies. And I built a reputation for designing solutions for complex trading platforms and AI powered financial systems. Now, my expertise range from software engineering, fintech innovation, and high performance algorithm development. I'm also a sales and business strategy expert. I have led multiple international projects and partnerships, but in essence, I do combine technical knowledge with a commercial acumen. And I'm, of course, passionate about Forex trading and AI-driven solutions. I have spent years developing intelligent trading bots and risk management strategies, all of which are now the technological backbone of Elite Network Services. And this project is very unique. We build it with a philosophy to bring what technology will be common in 5 years, in 10 years, to bring it to you today in order to be pioneers and be the first to use those innovation and increase your wealth. Well, my vision is very simple. I believe that the future of wealth lies in smart automations and transparency. And my vision for Elite Network is to create a global platform where finance meets technology, empowering individuals and businesses to grow their wealth sustainably while leveraging next generation digital tools. Now, our proprietary systems have been rigorously tested and optimized to deliver consistent data-driven returns while prioritizing security and risk management for all clients. We act with complete transparency. Sorry, we do have a links that are available for you for my ethics book. We publish every day on our social media our trading results with MetaTrader 5. Now we do have also an upcoming event, and I would share my screen with you about that. An upcoming event in Dubai for December. Let me just focus here and give you the dates. All right. So there's a mistake here. 20K. Yeah, this is the Dubai event. All right. So the event will take place on December 21, 22, 23. This is for the incentive for the all the achievers. And we will have a big event on December 22. All right. In Dubai, the qualification period started on October 2nd and will end on December 10th. Now, the requirement is super simple, 20K, $20,000 team sales, all right, or a personal deposit of $10,000. All right, for the 20K team sales, there was very simple condition: 50% with one leg and 50% with another team. Super, super simple. Now, the activities that we will have are fantastic. You will have a yacht tour, a desert tour, and a helicopter tour. All right. Of course, all costs, hotel, flight tickets, and activities are covered by the company. All right. So, guys, start opening your markets, start working on your markets, gather your teams, and let's meet in Dubai on December 22 for the big event. I will be there as I was in Asia concerning the Asian teams. I was in August 18th for 3 days to meet the team leaders in Kuala Lumpur, team leaders of Singapore, Malaysia, and as well in Indonesia. We met there on a one-to-one meetings or a small group meetings. I did that for 3 days. In September, we made a big event in Kuala Lumpur 2 weeks ago, I believe, again, to meet everyone. And next, we'll have probably in the next 2, 3 weeks, we will organize an event in Singapore as well as 6 cities in Indonesia. So, guys, gather your teams, start working. This is going to be really, really big. So let me now start by presenting you the project and how it is unique. All right. Now, welcome guys to Elite Network, our premium service in Forex trading. Now, the usual disclaimer, guys, that past performances don't guarantee future performances. However, we do have pretty much interesting things here. We are bots with our AI, a cut loss of 5%, and during our backtesting period, over 6 months, we had a maximum drawdown of 3%. And aside of that, we do have other features that guarantee the security, safety of your funds, and I'm going to explain that one by one. Now, what is important is that we are at the merge of wealth management and advanced financial tools, our own proprietary tools. Like I said, we want to bring next generation software that will occur, that will be common in the next 5 years, 10 years, to bring it to you for today. Now, I understand as well that everyone has a different approach in investment, all right, depending on your goals, your lifestyle, your vision for success, your strategy, all right. So we adapt to that. We do have different two main strategies, trading strategies, a medium risk strategy that is my favorite strategy, available right away on the market. We've been working for that. We went public with the pre-launch in August. All right. And people are working with it worldwide, not only in Asia. We do have as well CIS countries, ex-Soviet countries, market that are doing pretty well. West Africa is doing a very good job, as well as Europe and South America. All right. Now, I would like as well to present to you Don. Don is someone that I knew for many, many years right now. He is a professional networker, almost 20 years of experience. He started in 2017 and seven, sorry, actually, and excellent coach, excellent team leader. He has, most importantly, a lot of energy, and he's available for you if you need anything 24/7. I don't know if he even sleeps. He's like the devil, but a wonderful guy. And I decided to answer his request quite a few months ago and appointed him as market director for Asia. All right. Now, guys, the important thing to remember here is that we are at the merge of sophisticated trading algorithms with AI powered platform that we have, and we build technological solutions that will set you apart, that will make you a pioneer and make money, increase your wealth before people start to do it commonly. Now, a few things that I would like to underline is that with Elite Network, we do have 2 years of back testing. All right. And within those 2 years, we had a return, an average return of 25% per month. We do have as well 6 months of live trading with our medium risk strategy. All right. We do have also the low risk strategy coming very soon. And during those 6 months with the medium risk strategy, we delivered an average of 25% monthly profits. All right. We started with our core investors, then open up to the market on July 7th. All right. Now, guys, I would like to say as well that you can verify those performances by yourself on my FX book. Those links, the link is available on all our social media. You can see the results by yourself, the results of Elite Network, as well as we publish on a daily basis, 5 days per week, our trading results on MetaTrader 5, MT5. Now, guys, I would like to share, why not share with you the MyFX book results that we have here. All right, just bear with me 1 second. All right, guys, so this is our link for Elix Forex trading. All right. In this chart, you will see the early and first tool that I built with my teams. And this is back to 2016, all right, almost 10 years ago. I built this trading tool, all right, and you can check by yourself the results that we had. We built it. So it's important to say that this history starts on my FX book from 2016 and stops in 2017. The reason for that is that I built this tool for an hedge fund, and this hedge fund decided to go private in 2017. So this is why the record stopped in 2017. Now, I would like to show you our back testing here, starting from February. All right. And you can see that we have here an average growth of 25%. Now, next, this is the tool, the actual tool, my favorite tool, the medium risk strategy that we launched live on the market in July 7th, 7, all right, until today. So here you can check by yourself, all right, the results of our trade-ins. And if you scroll down here, you do have all the information you need. And if you scroll down here, you can see the results monthly. All right. So in July, we made 23.42% benefits. All right. And you have to know that in July, we traded for only 3 weeks. We started on July 7th. All right. Within 3 weeks, we made 23.42%. Now we have fine-tuned our tool for the medium risk strategy in order to deliver an average of 40%, all right, monthly. And we are actually doing that. You can see the results on my FX book for August, 40.58%. For September, we exploded. That's 49.34%. And for October, we are today on October 12th. We had 2 weekends there. So we are at 14.99% already. Now, I do believe that on average, we can have that 35% easily. Of course, the results depend not only on us, but as well on the market conditions. Let's get back to the presentation now. All right. So here, guys, you have our 2 products that we do have currently. The medium risk is already available and trading since July live for everyone. And the low risk is coming soon. All right, so let's start with the low risk strategy. This is built for people who want to stay with the maximum of safety. All right, so the return for this tool is between the return that you can expect is between 2% up to 8% monthly. Minimum deposit is of $50. There's absolutely no expiration date of your deposits, and the profit sharing is of 50%. Now, you guys will get 50% of the profits made by your trading, all right, in our PAM pool. Now, why 50%? You will understand that in the rest of the presentation. 50% is for you, 10% is for the company. The company must grow. Of course, it's therefore to earn money and to reinvest as well to improve our tools. And 40% goes to the compensation plan. All right. We run thousands of simulations for that, and we made this 50%, 10, 40 in order to make the company safe for the next 10 years. Now, the second tool, and my favorite tool, is the medium risk strategy of investment. All right. Now, here you can expect up to 40% per month, even though in September we made 49%. And you can see that just by yourself on my FX book. Click on the link, you will have your daily, our daily results, trading results. All right, minimum deposit is $50. Absolutely no expiration date for your deposits, and the profit sharing is of 50%. All right, same as I mentioned before, 50%, 10%, and 40% for the compensation plan. Now, like I said, our mission here is to deliver state-of-the-art digital tools to enable you to increase your wealth, all right, and live the digital transformation with us. Our services are premium services dedicated for a very, very few. Now, you have to understand, guys, that in trading, basically 95% of people lose money, all right, and the 5% will collect this money. So what we are here for is to be within the 5% innovators, the 5% pioneers. Now, why Elite Network? Very simple in 3 points. We do have dual expertise, wealth management with top expert, and software innovation. All right. We do have tailored portfolio, low risk investment strategy, medium risk, and many others coming soon. We do have our own proprietary AI tools and trading system that we built. We're always brainstorming about this and trying to get the best, what will be happening in 5 years, what tools will be common in 10 years. We want to bring this into today and start making money with that. And for that, we don't only have proof of concept, we are actually trading and delivering those results since July 7th. Now, regarding to our expertise, it includes, of course, AI-powered trading bots, custom financial platform, all right? You do have your real-time dashboard, portfolio management tools, mobile and web application, and blockchain and smart contracts to build the future of the DeFi, the decentralized finance. We want here, of course, just to create the future with you, and we want to include everyone because we will be more powerful with the help of the community. Now, guys, for all the team leaders, I suppose you're here for the compensation plan. Well, this plan is in two parts. This is the first part I'm going to explain to you. And this plan is super, super simple and designed first and foremost to guarantee the sustainability, the safety of the company for the next 5-10 years and give you a very good reward. All right. Now let me explain how this works. First, let's start with the benefits you can have from the deposits of your teams. All right. Now listen carefully, guys. You will earn a direct deposit bonus on every deposit made by your directs. All right. Let me repeat that. You will earn a direct deposit bonus on every deposit made by your direct. All right. And this bonus will depend on your rank. Let me define what is your rank. Your rank is your team business. All right. Your rank is your team deposit. All right. Now, if you start right now, you will be at rank 1 with a bonus of 5% on your direct. All right. If you guys made $2,500, then you are rank 2 and you will earn 6% on your direct. All right. Deposits. If you make 10K, that's 7%, 25K, 8%, 50K, 9%, 150K, 10%, 300K, 11%, 800K, 12%. Now we limit that on 12% and in order to once again ensure the sustainability of the project. And we ran hundreds, even thousands of simulations for that. Now, that's not all. You will earn, guys, a differential bonus on the deposits made by your entire team. Let me repeat, you will earn a differential bonus on the deposits made by your entire team. Let me give you an example for that. All right. Let's suppose you made 150K, $150,000 of team business. Then you are rank 6 and you are entitled to 10%. Now, if you have someone in your team who just started, he's rank 1, entitled at 5%, then you will earn the differential on him. You will earn 10% minus 5%, which is equal 5%. So we'll earn 5% on his deposits. All right. Similarly, if you are at rank 8, entitled to 12%, and you have the same person in your team with 5%, then you will earn the difference, 12% minus 5%, which equals 7% on his deposits. So you earn a differential bonus on the deposits made by your entire team. Of course, If you have someone in your team who has a superior rank, then you will not earn on him. So that is for the deposits. Let's go now for the trade-ins. All right, the benefits of the trade-ins. Now, similarly, you will earn a direct bonus on every profit made by your personal partners, made by your directs. Let me repeat. You will earn a direct bonus on every profit made by your personal partners, by your direct. And this bonus will depend on your rank. All right. You do have here 10 ranks depending on your team business, depending on your team deposits. All right. It starts with rank 1 at 8%. If you make $2,500 team business, then you are rank 2 at 13%. For 10K, 18%, 25K, 23%, 50K, 29%, 150K, 32%, 300K, 34%, 800K, 36%, 3.5 million, 38%, and 8 million, 40%. Here you find the 40% of the compensation plan, which combines with the other 12%, because of course, not everyone will get a 40%. All right, so you earn this percentage between 8% up to 40% on your direct, on their profits. Now, you will earn as well a differential bonus on the profits made by your entire team. Let me repeat, you will earn a differential bonus on the profits made by your entire team. And let me give you an example for that. Let's suppose you made 150K, $150,000 of business. All right, so you are at rank 6, entitled to 32%. If you have someone in your team who is at 8%, then you will earn the differential on his profits, which means 32% minus 8%, which equals 24%. So you will earn 24% on his profits. All right. So you earn a differential bonus on the profits made by your entire team. Of course, if you have someone who has a superior rank, then you will not earn on him. And that's it for the compensation plan. Super simple and designed to sustain the company for the next 5-10 years, designed to give you significant profit. All right, guys. So now you can see and understand the philosophy of our compensation plan. Now, let me move and give you an idea of our roadmap. Well, we had in August 2025, the start of Elite Network pre-launch in where I met as well in August 18 for 3 days, team leaders from Southeast Asia in Kuala Lumpur. In September 2025, we just had 2 weeks ago, a bit more than 2 weeks ago, our first big event in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. In Hotel Maya, if I remember well. On February 2026, we will have the official company launch, global event, new product announcement. Before that, in December 22, big event in Dubai. So guys, be there. All right, gather your team, start working. This is just rolling like a snowball. You have proof of that. You can discuss with team leaders in Southeast Asia, same area. All right. I can also put you in contact with other countries, other geographical areas if you want to benchmark their practices. West Africa, CIS countries, South America, Europe as well. I can do that for you if you express the desire for that. But most importantly, let me remind you guys that what I'm looking for, what is essential for the growth, what is proven to work in other parts of the work, and from my experience, is strong leadership, all right, as well as people who will serve in deep the market. All right. Next, in April 2026, we will have the launch of Elite Network Broker, our own broker. If you noticed on my FX book, no, I don't think it's visible on my FX book, but it's on Meta 5. Definitely, we do have a broker. We work with a broker, and that is Ubit Market. And in April, we are actively working to make our own broker, network broker. All right. Now, I would like to show you a few things we are working on for that purpose. And that is, all right, that is our website of our own network broker. We are working on this matter. So this is the website. It's still under construction, and it will be live in April 2026. All right. And here you have a bunch of things of useful information that you will be able to consult. There is learning here. There's a lot of stuff available here. For example, we will have different types of accounts, standard account, mini account, STP account, demo account, Islamic account as well, corporate accounts. All right, all kind of information. This will be live on April. There's still a lot of work to do in order to comply with legal issues. There is a lot of bureaucratic work to do, as well as technical work in order to have our own broker. And this is for you the next step, the next level, if you wish to trade by yourself using our proprietary technology, our proprietary AI. Now, this reminds me about legal issues, just to show you a few more things about our project. So let's get back to the presentation. All right, guys. Hey guys, you have the certificate of incorporation. The company was created in Hong Kong on August 4th. Before that, there was no need to have a legal entity. And I chose Hong Kong just because I believe it is the best jurisdiction for our activity. Now let's get back to our roadmap. Guys, so in April 2026, we will have our own network broker, as well as new partnership announcement. There's a bit of suspense about that, but always good news. In September 2026, we will have the launch of Elite Network Crypto Exchange. And in January 2027, we will have a global event and new product announcements. All right, a few more things to add is that the profits generated by our AI technology, they are paid from Monday to Friday. The reason for that is very simple. The Forex market is opened 5 days per week. About the compensation plan commissions, they are withdrawable 7 days a week, and the withdrawals of commissions and profits are possible 7 days a week. Now, it takes 24 hours maximum to get the withdrawals, and sometimes just a few minutes. Minimum deposit is of $50. Maximum deposit is 150K per account. The deposit fees are of $2 plus 2%. And the withdrawal fees are of 3%. Now, this is just basically to cover our costs and develop our platform. All right. Now, very important, guys. I want you to listen and underline this point. This is quite important. You have to know that once a month, starting from the date you made your deposit, you have the option to request the withdrawal of 50% of your capital. All right, once per month. Let's suppose today we are October 12th. You make your deposits. Then on November 12th, you have the rights to request 50% withdrawal of your capital. All right. This means you're out of the system. This means you don't want to trade anymore with elite networks. Now, for the other 50%, you can withdraw them after 8 months. All right. Why 8 months? This is once again designed to sustain the company for the next 5 to 10 years. All right. Super simple. I think this makes sense for everyone. All right, guys. So this is for the presentation. Now, I would like to showcase you a few more things here about our trading strategies, how we do trade. Well, basically, guys, we have two main trading strategies. Let me share my screen with you, which are day trading and scalping. All right. Just bear with me a second. All right. Well, one of our strategy is the scalping strategy, which is ideal. I do believe this is one of the best strategies to to trade between gold, the ounce of gold, and US dollars. So what is scalping? Scalping is basically trading super fast, buy and sell super fast, all right, with high frequency, short term. This is a very short term trading approach. So we looking for that for market signals, all right, in order to trade effectively. Now for our scalping, the profit target is between 5 to 20 pips per trade. And the trade duration is usually between seconds up to 5 minutes maximum. So you trade super, super, super fast and get out of the market. Now, the second strategy that we do have, let me just open my screen for that. All right, is the day trading strategy. Bear with me 1 second. All right. What is day trading? Basically, this is trading within the same day. We look for that to the macroeconomic events, all right, price movements and market signals, all right, with the help of our technology, of our AI trading bot. Our traders put into motion this trading strategy. Profit target here is between 30 pips up to 100 pips. All right. This is, once again, an ideal strategy, one of the top strategies to trade between the ounce of gold versus the US dollars. And the trade duration here is between a couple of minutes up to a few hours, but always within the same day. Why the same day? This is to simply avoid overnight losses. Although we do have a 5% stop loss, but we prefer to have this strategy in order to maximize, on one hand, our profits, and on the other hand, stay safe regarding to possible losses. All right. So this is basically the philosophy of our trading. We don't do things such as weekend swap or anything like that. We always trade within the same day and get out of the market safely. This way, whatever happens into the market, we are not concerned. We don't speculate on those kind of things. All right. I hope, guys, now you understand a bit more Elite Network, how we work, what kind of premium trading forex services we offer to the markets. You can chat, visit our social media, talk to other leaders from Asia, because you are here with Don, our market director for Asia, in the same group as Southeast Asia. You can chat with them, see their results, see how they manage to grow. And I can assure you that this project is just running like a small snowball, if I may say. All right. So we are doing events at least once per month, even a couple of times per month. I started now a global tour where I'm visiting in the next 2 weeks our wonderful team leaders from Western Africa, as well as Eastern Asia and North Asia, CIS countries, Vietnam, and a couple of other countries before returning to Southeast Asia. And I hope to visit soon India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and other Nepal and other countries nearby. So this webinar is especially for you. This meeting is for you. It's recorded in order to make you guys understand how it is going. So just start working. And don't forget about the event in Dubai. All right, guys. So thank you very much for attending. Now I'd like to share maybe one last thing before closing this meeting. All right, just bear with me 1 second. All right, all right. All right, guys. Thank you very much for joining today. See you very, very soon. Stay focused. All right. Work with your teams. I remind you that we need leadership here in your geographical area. But first of all, we need people who will serve the market, all right, in deep. I believe you have all the tools, this project for that. I'm here, always here, me and Don, to help you in case you need any support. And I get back to you, Don, maybe if you do have anything to add. Don, do you have anything to add, or maybe something I missed? Don, are you here?
Yes. Yeah. So far, okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
okay,
Yeah.
good. All right, guys, thank you very much for listening, and see you very, very soon on a specific meeting in your area, and see you live, I hope, very, very soon. Thank you, guys. Thanks, guys. See you very, very soon. Thank you for listening, and see you live or in person in Dubai. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.